Session 21 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study some of the audiovisual communications. So, various types are telephone, dictaphone, pagers, cash registers, telex and fax. Telephone. Telephone is one of the most commonly used means of oral communication. It is widely used for many types of business communications like issuing instructions, providing or receiving information, placing or receiving orders, to build up contracts, etc. Advantages of telephone. It helps instantaneous communication. Immediate clarifications are possible. It helps get immediate feedback. It proves very useful in cases where we want to avoid personal visit. Inhibitions, hesitations, and other such influences caused by the personal visit can be avoided by the use of telephone. Let us see the disadvantages of telephone. It is possible that the spoken words are wrongly understood, which may not happen while talking face to face. The receiver has to remember exactly the words he has heard over the telephone. There is no chance of referring to it repeatedly as in the case of a letter. While talking on the telephone, one has to entirely depend on voice modulation to create the desired effect. The advantage of the use of bodily movements will not be there in the telephone. Untimely calls, wrong numbers all cause nuisance. Now let us see dictaphone. These are also called dictating machines. It is an electronic device which eliminates the necessity of a stenographer. It facilitates an executive to dictate letters, reports, messages at his leisure time, and the typist can transcribe the same when he is free. It consists of two parts, a recording unit and a playback unit. When a dictation is to be made, the executive speaks into the microphone attached to the recording unit, and his words recorded on the recording medium like magnetic tapes, metallic wire, paper or plastic discs. Pagers. A pager, also known as a beeper, bleeper or pocket bell, is a wireless telecommunication device that receives and displays alphanumeric or voice messages. One-way pagers can only receive messages, while response pagers and two-way pagers can also acknowledge, reply to, and originate messages using an internal transmitter. Cash register. It is a machine used for accounting and tabulating work in big retail shops, supermarkets, petrol bunks, etc., where a large number of customers make cash payment against the purchases. A cash register is a device which simultaneously records cash transactions on a tape, produces printed slips, and operates cash drawers. It adds automatically all the receipts and shows the total on the meter. It also checks the total cash with cashier at the end of the day. It is an electronically operated device which can be worked on with the help of keys. Three main types of cash registers are the press down key register, the lever register, and press in key register. Some cash registers have subtraction keys which helps to subtract rebates, reductions, etc. Some cash registers may make calculation to change, and that is the change that is to be given back to the customers. So places where cash registers are usually used are retail shops, departmental stores, hotels, restaurants, then fast food services, cash collection counters of banks, post offices, electricity boards, hospitals, etc. Telex. It is a communication facility provided by the telecom department. The user of telex has to register with the department and get a telex number. All his messages will pass through telex exchange to the required telex number. Modern telex machines are electronically operated systems. They are connected with the computerized exchanges to provide message switching facilities. Fax. It is an electronically operated system with the help of fax machine. Its full form is facsimile. It is very useful for transmitting visual material like photographs, diagrams, etc. Messages transmitted from the sender fax machine are routed through telephone line and reach the recipient's fax machine. The document has to be fed to the fax machine, which is scanned and transmitted to the receiver's machine when an identical copy of the document is reproduced on a blank sheet of paper. So these are some of the instruments which are used for communication in a business organization. But now, due to the computers and the internet connectivity, so we do not find these machines in large number. References: